Kwelinye icala, ababini abafudula besebenzisa iziyobisi baseEldorado Park baphalaza imbilini yabo ngobomi babo bangaphambili bobukhoboka kunye nobugebenga bebuchaza njengendlela ezaliswe ziintlungu kunye nokuzisola. Inguquko yabo yeza xa bezimanya neziko elivuselela isimilo i-From Gangs to Grace Rehabilitation Home apho bafumana khona isiqalo esitsha. Kungoku nje esisibini sibongoza amathuba ophuhliso lezakhono nomsebenzi kurhulumente nakumasamariya alungileyo.
I'm from Cape Town, so I was looking for a better life, coming out of gangsterism, smoking in Cape Town, roaming the streets, coming out of prison. So I thought I'm gonna get a better life in Johannesburg. So I came here and I didn't get a job in it. So for me being just roaming around in Eldorado Park, so I find myself back into my old habits, smoking, wrong friends and that. So I find myself living under a tree for 2 years, me and another friend. I went to the support group from Gangs to Grace. And from the support group, they took me in by a house. And I was in the house, rehabilitate myself by the program. And I find myself here now in this house. And apparently I'm now the house father. They teach me how to understand the Bible. They teach me how to love and love people, man. I didn't have no feelings for nobody first, and I didn't care about people. I didn't even care about myself, but now I got morals, I got standards, I got principles for myself. I would like that the government would come and make a skill center where the guys can finish their program and get into the skill center and get something on their names and they can get a job and look after themselves, man.
Last year I was imprisoned for 8 months, right? So when I came out of prison, my uncle told me that everything that's happening to me, right? It's happening to me because I turned my back on the person who died for me on the cross. I ended up at this one friend's house who referred me to Gangs of Grace, and when I arrived here in the home, that was in the month of May. I arrived in the home, and yeah, it was a long journey for me. I also find myself, I've graduated from my 4-month program. Moving forward, as far as our plan for the future is concerned, we need to be equipped with skills, man, with skills, because most of us, we were like the level of gangsterism that we're facing here outside. That's very enticing for myself that has dependents. And to meet the needs of our children, especially going forward, it's very